stomping. My God. It's a river. It's a river. Oh my God. We have stop. Wait. I think, guys, it's raining. Can you see there's literal water coming down? Oh my God, guys, this is so funny and it's so awesome. Yeah? You can see. No, don't go upstairs. There's a literal water. Wait, well, what about Alicia and Fatima? And Fizza, they're upstairs. What's gonna happen to them?
I don't know. Fatma's going to die. Fatma's a little baby.
Don't say that. No. Fatma's not gonna die. Calm down. That's enough, Charlie. Oh my God, as you can see, guys. Oh my God, turn on the flashlight. Ultra wide. Seriously? Okay. Fizza. Oh my God, guys. Mama, I'm recording the flood. I'm recording it. Oh my God, guys, I am literally shaking. Thankfully, now I know the feeling of having a literal fountain in your stairs. So, guys, it feels like you're literally about to die and you're shaking. And I don't feel that good, okay? As you can see, this is very exciting. It is a very exciting. It is a very, very exciting thing. This is the best for happening. Some people might be traumatized and faint and overreact, but I love rain. Right, Fizza? So basically, you guys make me think I'm crazy because I love this stuff coming down my steps. But I'm gonna go upstairs. And the whole thing, as you can see, is flooded. Oh my God. Papa, oh my God, there's a whole entire river here. Go. As you can see, guys, the Pakistani rain. And that's my Baba. As you can see, they're waving the water and all. Oh my God, there's a whole entire river right in front of my Baba's office, and then water inside the Baba's office. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Oh my God, I really want to go in the river. Baba, I want to go in the river. I know, but I'm calling it a river because it's so big. I want to go inside. No. River, but anyway, so let's.
ये ऊपर से आया उन्हें बेटा ये इधर से आया है ये पानी इधर से यहाँ से आ रहा है हाँ जमा कैसे हुआ इधर कैसे जमा हुआ बेटे बस ज्यादा बारिश तेज हुई है ना वो तो साफ होना उससे पानी रुक गया
Everything is chaotic. I'm gonna go check out if they're fine and everything. Okay, everything here fine. No water here. Nothing. I'm gonna tell the news to my cousins and all, like my sister and all. Fizza, there's a flood in the house. There's a flood in the house, and the rain is flooding, and then the stairs is filled with the water, and there's a whole entire river in front of Baba's office.
Oh yeah. Baba's office that always has water in it. Don't worry.
No, but there's a whole entire river.
Yeah, that always happens.
No, that doesn't always happen.
Okay,
This is the first
Let
time.
me just change these clothes and come in.
I told them the news.
Okay.
Oh my God. They can, a lot of fish can live here, you know? So why don't we get a fish aquarium here? Oh my God.
Then we could take lots of
As you can see, this is very exciting. Everybody, best thing, yeah?
ये उठा के लाओ ये अपना पानी ऐसे करने वाला
वाइपर ले आओ
The wiper? Okay, wait, wiper? Okay, we're gonna go.
outside.
Okay.